Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be filming a bit of a life update kind of video slash inspo slash how to follow and live out your dreams. So let's get stuck into it. Basically, I have a very, could I say very another time, do you think? Because it's very exciting. I've got a very exciting announcement to share with you guys that is, involves what I'm going to be doing in the next few months of my life. It's all happening so quickly, low-key freaking out, but I've got this. Well, I'm going to keep telling myself that anyway till I believe it. But before I dive into this video, I just want to let you guys know it's not all about me. I don't want you guys to think I'm just bragging about how wonderful my life is, because trust me, it's not perfect. So this video isn't just about me, it's about you. It's about you watching this right now. Yep, we're just talking just a couple of best friends having a little chat. I want to tell you that you can do literally anything in this world that you want to do. I don't know why it's taken me so long to realize that. In the past, I've put up so many barriers and reasons, excuses, and limitations as to why I can't achieve my goals. Whether it just be something like, oh no, that's too different, I should just do, what everyone else is doing. I've basically already just got a path that's laid out in front of me, and so do you, from, our parents and society and just the way we live in this world. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, that can be a great thing. But also, if you want to do something different, if you want to live your life and your lifestyle in a way that not everyone does, or, if you want to move across the other side of the world, or if you want to start in a sports team that you've been too scared to start in, then I want to tell you that you can do whatever it is that you want to do. And the only person that will stop you from living out your dreams is yourself. You are your worst critic and your biggest enemy, because guys, you're truly the only one that's in control of your life. So you can't put blame on anything or anyone else, because you have the power to make it the best life that you can for yourself. And I know that shitty things happen sometimes in life that will get us down and will be, and do hinder us, but it doesn't mean that you can't get there. If you have enough drive and passion and determination, then you can do it. So if there's something that you've had in mind for a little while now that you've been thinking about, then I challenge you to start working towards it. So I just want you to know that nothing is out of your reach, no matter who you are, how much money you have, where you've come from in life. If you want to go move to the other side of the world and live on a desert island, then you can do that, my friend. One of the dreams that I am getting to fulfill in my life is that I am moving to Los Angeles at the end of this month. Oh my god. If you told past Dani, hey future Dani, you're gonna be living in Los Angeles, I would just be like, nah, that's not gonna happen. But hey, here we are. Some of you guys may know that I graduated from AUT University in Auckland. Highly recommend if you're looking for a good creative university in New Zealand. I graduated from there, and I've been awarded a scholarship to do a social media internship for I would say like a digital content and marketing entertainment agency in Hollywood is where I'm going to be working. So I've got the opportunity to do this for the next few months. It's going to be the experience of a lifetime, so I absolutely could not turn it down. Although I am low-key freaking out because I have to adult and pay bills and do adult things and budget and be really poor, because I'm going to live in LA and the rent is literally all my income and also my soul. So if anyone has any tips on how to adult, let me know. But what are you doing? My dog's just decided to bite my hand. That's not very nice. If you have any tips on how to adult, I would appreciate them. Thanks guys. I'm probably gonna do some like day in the life at my internship type vids, if that's what you guys would be into. Let me know, although I might just be too awkward to film in public, but we'll see how it goes guys. So if I look back on my own journey with, you know, my self-confidence and growth as a human being, it has been a long one, and I've really come a long way in the last few years. I feel like I know myself now better than what I ever have, and I've got so much more self-confidence, and I think my whole mindset has just changed, and I truly believe that is absolutely the key to success in anything that you want to achieve in life. You have to be positive. Your attitude is everything in life, you know, like if something bad happens to you, it's your choice how you respond, and it's your choice whether you turn that negative into a positive, or if you choose to dwell on that negative and just build it into something more and more negative, which isn't going to be useful for anyone. I think in the past I haven't really been so open to opportunities, and a lot of that has to do with my confidence, especially like back in high school. There were a lot of girls who were really mean in my high school, and they were mean to, you know, a lot of people, and they put people down. They were mean to me as well, but for some reason I still looked up to them and thought like, oh, I want to be like the cool kids. But I always thought that in life I would be like one step behind them, and I would never, you know, get to achieve these really awesome things, or I'd never be as smart as all the people in assembly getting awards, or I was never good enough at sports to do really well in that. And to all those girls in high school who were mean to me and other people, well, I just want to tell you, look at me now, look at me now, oh, I'm getting paper. So, you know, I used to be really harsh on myself, which was super unfair. Basically, I just used to tell myself that I wasn't good enough, and I used to come up with all these excuses about why I couldn't achieve what I wanted to. Well, the one I've been coming up with a lot lately is that I don't have enough money. But money doesn't have to control your life, and I'm confident if you have enough drive to want to do something, money doesn't have to get in the way of that. If you want something to happen in your life, think about it right now. Think about one thing that, you know, you've been daydreaming about, you think would be cool for the future, but you're kind of like, nah, I don't think so, not right now, I'm too scared. Whatever it may be, I want you to think about that certain thing, however big or small the goal is, and I want you to tell yourself that you can do it. You just have to believe in your dream wholeheartedly, 100%. Tell yourself, you know, don't even, for example, moving to LA. You don't want to say, oh, yeah, I might move to LA. I will move to LA. I am going to move to LA. I am moving to LA. That's the mindset you want to be in. You want to, you know, visualize yourself there. Picture yourself. What are you doing? Who are you hanging out with? What does your life look like? And that will really help you to get clear on your vision and actually see it, you know, turning into a reality. And I truly do believe if you're someone who has a goal, but you're going to put up these barriers like saying, oh, I don't have enough money, or oh, I'm too scared. What you're doing is putting your hands in your back pockets and you're saying, hey, actually, I'm not ready to receive this. So if you've got your hands in your pockets, then how's the universe going to give this thing to you if you're not even really sure yourself that it's going to happen? So what you need to do, get your hands out of your pockets, put them out in front of you and say, hey, I've got no excuses. This will happen in my life. I genuinely believe I deserve this, and I am worthy, and this is going to happen for me. Then it will. And if you wholeheartedly believe in something, then every day, even without knowing it, you'll start taking small actions that will actually align themselves with your goal and help you to get on the right track to achieving it. So bye for now from me and Zig. Oh, actually, just one more thing I'm going to throw out there. The only real downside to getting to move to Los Angeles is obviously being away from friends and family, and it's going to really suck being away from my boyfriend. But also, this little guy, I'm going to miss him so much. As you guys know, I can't live without dogs, so If you're in the LA area and you have a dog, you want your dog walked, you want me to look after your dog, or you know, you just want me to have your dog, then hit me up. You know where to find us. Add us on MySpace, send me a message and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We'll be interviewing dogs next week onwards, so keep an eye out for that, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye! He's trying to bite me. Ow! Have you not learned? Have you not learned? I've had enough. I've had enough. Thank you very much.